Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to review Nothing Phone 2a. Yes, it was launched 1 year ago, but I bought it recently, and the reason I am doing review for this is it got 4 updates after I opened this box. Initially, before the first update, I observed that the camera is not good. Currently it is running on Nothing OS 3.2 I guess, and after this camera got huge improvement. In this video, let's see how they improved camera and overall phone performance. Do watch the video till end and don't forget to hit that like button and get the subscribe to the channel. First, let's see physical overview of this board. From front, this got 6.7x AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate. It can dynamically adapt based on your usage. And this got 2 stereo speakers which does not support Dolby Atmos, and this is also not got certified by Hi-Res Audio. And in the front, this got 50 megapixel front camera. And let's come to the back. This got 2 dual camera setup, and one is 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. And now let's see how these cameras works. When I get this phone out of the box, the camera is too worst. I got regret why did I bought this. But after that 4 updates came, this camera got huge improvement. Now these cameras will easily get in the competition with Samsung's S24 FE. And this video is currently recording in Samsung S24 FE. And we also do a video on Samsung S24 FE and Nothing Phone 2a camera comparison later. Now let me show you some camera samples. Coming to the performance, this got MediaTek's Dimensity 7200 Pro processor, which can handle basic games like Free Fire, PUBG. This phone is best suitable for mid-range performances like your daily tasks. And this got 5000 mAh battery which lasts up to 1 day. In battery section, this also has one feature, and it can limit battery charging up to 90%, which will increase the battery life. Actually, this feature comes with Android 15 for all Android devices. This phone will also get Nothing OS 4.2, 4.0 update also, which is based on Android 16. If you are looking for your phone under 20,000 rupees with clean Android experience and without any bloatware, then this phone is for you. And that's it for the video guys. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Bye bye.